delighted to see how many of you are here, interested in OTD's mission, interested in what we do, interested in technology, commercialization, and how we advance innovation towards impact.
My experience with Bootcamp, this is an amazing opportunity for people from various backgrounds to really think about the process of having a basic science idea and what are the necessary steps to take to translate that into a technology, into a product that could potentially impact patients.
So we're going to talk about business development.
It not just help you bring something new to the market, but also help you grow economically, like building up some finances for your future research.
One of the speakers quoted Drew Faust talking about how companies create products and academia or universities create industries. So thinking about how both of those can be improved or better collaborate with each other in order to build better products in better industries, I think is a really interesting question and something that will stick with me.
Whatever your career trajectory may be, maybe you're a grad student and you're thinking about an academic career, or a postdoc thinking about an academic career. Whether it's an academic career, whether it's to go into industry, whether it's perhaps to go into tech transfer. Hopefully the concepts that we talk about today are going to be helpful for you.
I am considering really heavily a career in academia, but I feel like it's important to inform myself about kind of all the different paths and all the choices. And so I've made it a goal to become conversant and learn the lingo of a lot of different fields. And so this is what I was really unfamiliar with, whether that's patent law or startups. And so I wanted to learn more about those spaces.
I think it was also great that they're supportive of a multitude of careers, whether that be industry, whether that be you taking your research and still pursuing an academic postdoc and maybe even a professorship. So I think their all-encompassing idea of how do we take technology and research and really utilize it as Harvard is great, and I think it's so supportive of their students, and it's really like a playground to think of things, which is really fun for all of us here.
My hope is that this bootcamp will be remembered by each one of you as an important milestone in your own career development, in your own personal development, that you would remember that back in May of 2023, you participated in a bootcamp at Harvard University, and it transformed, or it had made a change on your own personal growth and your own personal path and your own career development.